Everyone, I'm Twyla with Natrona County Library, and I'm here today to kind of walk you through the instructions for a craft that we're making. It's a take and make craft, so you can come down to the library, pick up your packet, take it home, and make it. This one is called the Woven Turtle, and it comes in your bag will be a set of instructions, a template of the turtle and its shell, two colors of different colors of paper, and some googly eyes, which are kind of hard to pick up, so trust me, they'll be there. What you need to provide is some glue or a glue stick and some scissors. Okay, very simple pattern. So you're going to take your template and you're going to start with that by cutting out the shape of the turtle and the shell, which I've already done beforehand. So there they are. Okay. Then you take one color and you're going to cut about 1-inch strips from that sheet of paper. Then you're going to take the other color paper, and this is what's going to be the basis for your weave. So you want it big enough to cover your shell. So if you want, you can lay it on the paper and then just cut a square right around that shell, about 6 inches. Then you're going to take that square and you're going to fold it in half. Doesn't make any difference which direction because it's a square, right? Or pretty much so. Then you're going to take that square and from the folded side, this is the folded side, you're going to cut about 1-inch strips to within about 1 inch of the top. Now I've already got one that I've pre-cut, so when you get done, it's going to look like this. Okay? Then you're going to take your other colored strip and you're going to weave them into the slits. Now I'm going to start on top of the first one, so I'm going to go under the second one, over the third, under the fourth, over the fifth, under the sixth, and over the last one. And then you're just going to move it up until it meets the very top. The second one, what you want to do is start, since I started on the top over here, I want to go underneath the first one, over top the second, under the third, over the fourth, under the fifth, over the sixth, and under the seventh or the last one. And then you just kind of push that up toward the other one, like that. Now I've got one that I already got done, and sometimes it helps to keep them kind of in place for you. You can take some glue stick and kind of glue down the ends of it to keep them in place. And then you're going to take your shell, you're going to put some glue all over it. And then you're going to glue it right down on top of your patchwork pattern. As you can tell, it's kind of a patchwork, right? So when you get done, it's right like that. Okay. Then you take your scissors and you cut around that circle. Till you have the patchwork pattern on one side, and you have the shell on the other side. Now on the green side of the shell, you want to glue that on. Get a bunch of glue on that, and then you're going to glue it right onto the back of the turtle. And there we go. Then you're going to take your googly eyes and you're going to glue them on. And voila, you're done. And you have a cute, adorable turtle that you can make the eyes go cross-eyed in, and you can play with it around the house and pretend like he's swimming in the water. Of course, you don't want to put him in water because it's paper, so it'll melt. But you can pretend like he's swimming in the water. You can sing the little turtle song, Tiny Tim turtle song, and have lots of fun with it. Well, that's all I have for my craft today. You can pick up the Take and Make craft as soon as this is posted on Facebook. We have just so many, so it's kind of first come, first serve. But come and have some fun with this. Thank you. See you later. Bye.